Okay, guys. Yesterday we have seen the import requisitions through FBDI for non-catalog. Means the whatever we have entered, those lines does not have any items. Now we'll see somewhat little bit more deeper into the requisition lines through FBDI for expense items. So whatever if I say like expense items, whatever I'm going to show, same thing will be applicable for inventory, but little bit modifications, slight modifications. I think you can do it by your own. So we'll see now expense items means item has to be present in the lines. So I'm going back to my template. So where we can see the what do you call item information we have to provide. So I have to provide in the lines. So if we go here, see, uh, okay, yeah. If you see here, these are the 4 lines I have, but the 2 lines belongs to different what do you call different requisition, and these 2 lines belongs to one of the requisition. So if you see here, my item is this one, okay, and we have to provide the category and item description. Yes, we can get it from your item master. So I have to provide same thing. Similarly here, this is the one. So let me cross verify, put it here. And if we have a revision, we can enter revision also. That's the optional, guys. Okay. Now, what is mandatory? Item. What is the item belongs to which category, and what is the item description? Okay. So these are the 3 modifications you have to do, and then line type already we have seen yesterday. I given a 10 and 20 quantity, and procurement BU. What else? What else? Okay, we'll go last. This I given as each. Let's see. Let's see how system will behave, and in the distributions, in the distribution interfaces, I have not given purposefully my charge account for last one. Okay. So in the lines, usually people should do the mistakes here, and for this is the each. I'll give this one as each UM. The second one I have to keep. Yeah. Let's see what kind of errors system will impose once the system has run the program. Okay. Now save the program, and then header nothing, no change. And here I'm using same header keys which I have used earlier. Let's see what system will give an error or system will accept these things. Okay, this is the N, and what else? Batch ID. Batch ID. Yeah, it's okay. I don't want to change anything. Okay. So I'm using same requisition view. That is the reason just I did not touch this particular header interface all sheet. Okay. So now I saved that program. I saved this particular file. Then go to instructions and CSV, generate the CSV. Save the program, save the CSV file, click on save. So 3 times system will give me this. So my zip file has been ready. Now I'm going back to the application. Let me open another one. Go to tools, schedule process, schedule process, import Requisitions. Oh, sorry, I need to start first interface to the start interfacing the data to interface tables, temporary tables. We can call it as a temporary tables also. Now, what is my program name? Import requisitions. Import requisitions, correct? Import requisitions. Okay. And then data file, upload a new file, choose a file, select your CSV file from the path, just save it and then submit. So 759 is the process ID. Using process ID, we can determine whether your interface has been done successfully or system has given an error. 759. So system is running this. So I hope it has been succeeded. Yeah, 759 succeeded. Now, what is the final program? Import requisitions. Import REQ. Search that. Import equations from external systems to Oracle Fusion Purchasing. And here I want to keep this as no and then submit. 766 came. Let's see what kind of errors system will throw on me. Because when we are in the field, battlefield, warriors, like once we are doing the implementation work or integrations, so these kind of errors will be common, and we'll see is there any solution for those kind of things. So in order to see the what you call error files, this is the file, this is the PDF. So usually in this particular purchase equation, the Oracle Cloud will be giving the errors in the PDF format. Okay, open that. Go to 2 lines. See here, the UOM is not invalid. Verify the UOM. So where for one of my item of second line, so system is giving UOM is invalid. Okay, this is one thing. And the next one, if you see here, charge account cannot be generated. Transaction account definition could be derived. Modify the controls. So you must enter the charge account. So without charge account, the self-service request or purchase request not allowed to submit. Okay, so these are two errors. So these kind of errors, most of the time you can observe in the field. Okay, so now I'm going back to my requisitions. So first I'm setting up this one requisition charge account for the third line, for the last line. Okay, so I took a very simple charge account, but project to project, the what you call the segments will vary. Segments will come more. Okay, so this is the one change I did. Save this. Go to lines. Here UM, correct? Yeah. Okay. At last we have. I don't know why they kept at last. That is the design of Oracle. But It is very nice as compared to EBS, guys, frankly telling. So save the form, generate the CSV. So I'm expecting like this time should not come any kind of errors. Let's see. Save, save. Now I'll try to, this one I'll try to put it into the YouTube. I don't have any option like dump entire file into the YouTube. Need to say that. I don't know. Load interface. So starting on what you need to do again. So load interface file for import. Select your program name. Import or Requisitions. Data file. Import Requisitions. Click on OK. Click on submit. 784 is the process ID. See, if you want to see only your process IDs, whatever you push the data into the system, so you can select here submitted by. So I given submitted by whom, just I given my credentials. That is the reason system is showing only my process IDs, guys, only my process IDs. So 84 done. Now we have to see import requisitions. Tap out. Okay. Just keep it as it is. Submit. 792. Wow, that's went within seconds. Need to see. Yeah, now PDF gone. Means system has created requisitions. Come on, guys. Come on, come on. See. Oh, why system created 3? Mm-hmm. No, this one. So 2, right? How come system has taken 3, man? Let me cross verify there. Click on done. 48, 14, 50. Let me open that. It is 9001. See, because I have not selected that approval thing, because in this system we are getting some problems, but approval issues. So this is the one. 49. Okay. Why it is separated? That is what my question. Ah, surprise for me also. Let me see. I any kind of mistakes here. Lines. mm, 2001 I given. First one. Mm, Sorry. Abba. Mhm. Oh my god. 302 303. Surprise. I'll see next session or we'll do one thing. Let me change here. It is 5. It is 6. Okay. I think here that's all right. So need to keep 5 header. Here is 6. So here also I'll take some 8. This is 9, 10, 11. Okay. So 6, 6. This is fine. Save this. Now here lines 3008, 9. Okay. Copy that. Paste here. Copy this line ID, line key, and paste. Okay. This also I'll keep 8. This is 9, 10, 11. 11. Save this. Go here. Okay. That's all, because I feel like because of keys we have used earlier, that is the reason. Let us check it out. This generate CSV, just 2 minutes. Select same, save it, save it. Generated file, go back, monitor process, cancel, load interface. Click on OK. Import requisitions. Select your data file, choose the file. Click on OK. Submit. 829. 829. Succeeded. Import requisitions. Click on OK. So yeah, I don't want to change anything here. Just submit. 839. So keys, that is the best, I mean, standard process, because for confirming that keys, whether we have to use the old or new, is the reason I just doing one more time. One more text. Shown folder. Huh? Something is there. Why it is creating separately? I'll check it out, guys. I'll check it out. So usually it should not create like this. It has to be under one. Yeah. Okay, I'll check it out. I'm not sure. I'm not sure now at present. I'll check it out. Okay, guys. So with this, you have seen now. Once you have item, how to import that item. Enter equation by line. We have an option, right? Similarly, this expense items. Once you have item combination, how we're going to do through the FBDI. Okay. So with this, I'll wind up the session.